Hey YouTube, this is Bart. My name is Mike and we'd like to welcome you to my backyard garden. Just an update from a couple weeks ago. Zinnias are really full bloom, continue to bring in flowers from my wife's office. Little bouquets, she loves them. Different marigolds are coming in nice. I've harvested lots of carrots, lots of Brussels sprouts. The corn is coming in kind of wonky, but that's probably fertilization error on my part about a month ago. Out of 38 stalks, I'll probably end up getting just a couple ears of corn, hopefully more, but we'll see. Pineapple place here. Marigolds are just doing really well. And these are green beans and some green beans, jalapeno peppers. You can see bell peppers there, red bell peppers, more Brussels sprouts. I transplanted some tomatoes, jelly bean, cherry tomato variety seedlings here next to some green beans, some more green beans, marigolds, same jelly bean tomatoes, carrots surrounding some more jalapenos, beans, and my parsley going to flower. That's all I've got this week. We do want to thank you for hanging out with us, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps the channel. Motivates me to do a little bit more educational stuff, perhaps. I don't know. Give me some suggestions in the comments down below. If you'd like me to see some tutorials or just changing it up. Again, this is Bart. My name is Mike, and we want to thank you for hanging out in my backyard garden. You guys take care.